Homeschooling can be a gratifying experience for the whole family. However, it can also be tough on your wallet if you don't have a secure budget. Frugal homeschooling is becoming a popular term among the majority of families living on limited income or for those wanting to cut back on expenses. Here are several ways you can save money and still offer your child a wonderful education. 1. The internet is a valuable source that most families can't live without. From researching essay papers to curriculum, anything you need to search for is available online for free and right in the convenience of your own home. 2. Online auctions are a great way to purchase used curriculum programs and books. 3. A trip to your local library will probably fit most of your needs. Not only do you get to borrow books for free, but also it makes a fun family outing. Before heading off, make a list of the books and topics you need to borrow so you don't forget what's needed. 4. If you are a member of a homeschool group, suggest starting a swap meet or book sale of used curriculum and other teaching aids. This is a great way to buy good material for reasonable prices, as well as selling some material you no longer use. 5. Do you know someone that has a book or program you would like to use? If they're not using it, then ask them if they wouldn't mind you borrowing it. If you have a book or program that they could use, consider either trading or just borrowing from each other for a short time. 6. Look in your local paper for garage sales and yard sales that have books and craft supplies. Be creative while looking around. Something you may not normally think about using could be perfect for a certain craft or science project. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.